I am going to explain Armstrong's axioms in this video. So what is Armstrong's axiom? So Armstrong's axiom is basically set of inference rules which are used to derive functional dependencies from the given set of functional dependencies. So let's see how many Armstrong's axioms are there, and I will explain it one by one. So Armstrong's axiom can be divided in two parts. One is primary and secondary. So in primary axioms, there are three types of axioms. Okay, first one is reflexivity, second is transitivity, and third one is augmentation. So what is reflexivity? So reflexivity, when x is superset of y or y is subset of x, then x determines y. This is called reflexivity. Transitivity, when x determines y and y determines z, then x determines z. This is transitivity. What is augmentation? When x determines y and we add an attribute on both sides, that is xw determines yw, then it is augmentation. Augmentation means adding something. So we have added same attribute on both sides. And what is secondary axioms? Secondary axioms are derivable from the primary axioms. Okay, so there are four types of secondary axioms: union, splitting, pseudo transitivity, and composition. So what is union? So when x determines y and x determines z, then x determines yz. We can combine the right hand side. Okay, and in what is splitting? When x determines yz, then x determines y and x determines z. We can break down the right hand side part. And what is pseudo transitivity? Pseudo transitivity is similar, is derivable from transitive axiom. Okay, let's see how. When x determines y and determines yw determines z, then we can say xw determines z. How? We will add w in this functional dependency on both sides, then it will become xw determines yw, and since yw determines z, then using transitivity xw will determine z. Now what is composition? When x determines y and suppose another functional dependency a determines b, then we can combine both, then xa determines yb. So these are all 7 functional dependencies. Thank you.